AI is getting smarter every single day. It writes, it designs, it solves problems. And now everyone is asking the same question. Is AI replacing humans? Today, let's uncover the truth. Some people think AI is taking over the world. Others believe it's just a tool. The reality is somewhere in between, and you need to know which part affects you. Section 1. What AI is really doing. AI is not just a trend anymore. It's part of our everyday life, from chatbots and smart assistants to design tools, medical analysis, and even self-driving cars. But here's the key. AI is replacing tasks, not people. Section 2. Jobs AI can automate. AI can handle repetitive, predictable, and data-heavy tasks, such as data entry, simple customer support, basic content generation, repetitive design tasks, routine office work. These jobs require speed, not creativity, and AI is excellent at that. Section 3. Jobs cannot replace. But what about creative thinking, deep decision-making, leadership, emotional understanding? Cannot replace. Artists and designers, leaders and strategists, teachers and psychologists, skilled professionals. Anyone who relies on empathy, imagination, or human judgment, lacks emotions, intuition, and real-life experience, things only humans have. Section 4. The future. Humans plus AI. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans with AI. AI is becoming our assistant, a tool that helps us work faster, smarter, and more creatively. People who learn how to use AI will replace people who don't, not the other way around. Section 5. Should you be afraid? No. Instead of fearing AI, learn to work with it. AI will create millions of new jobs in tech, design, automation, robotics, content creation, and analytics. Your biggest advantage is not competing with AI. It's using AI to supercharge your abilities. So, is AI replacing humans? Not really. AI is replacing old methods, slow workflows, and repetitive jobs. But humans are still needed for imagination, emotion, and decision-making. The future belongs to people who adapt,